last time on
NooB Auto Parts.
with no more battles to fight.
Marcus.
Get settled into a peaceful life with
Modifying this fucking van.
I fucking thought that this was a fucking snake. I thought it was a snake, but it's a fucking lizard. It's his little foot. It goes without hurting him. Dude. Mate, I'm really sorry, but I have to fucking get you out of there. Because when I close this door, you might get fucking hurt. Go on, you little blue tongue. You're not going back in there though. God, you got a massive tongue, mate. Don't go under the headlight. Oh, you twat. This fucking lizard. Dude, you got heaps of area to go over there. Go on. Go on. Yes, yes. Good job. Keep going. Yep, go that way. Keep going. Good lizard. Good lizard. Yes. Fucking shimmy that ass. Go on. See you later. Keep going. No, don't look back. Fucking hell. Run for your life. Go. No, don't fucking... Don't hiss at me. Now he just went back in my shed. Fuck! Mate, seriously. I know as soon as I fucking move something and I see you, I'm gonna fucking shit myself. Thinking it's a fucking brown snake or some shit. I'm gonna call him Jeffrey. Jeffrey! 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 Get the fuck out. Can't find the bastard. I'm just gonna have to leave him. What a fucking rude lizard, eh? Today, taking out the LED headlights because currently don't have high beams wired up, and that's because well, the van's negative switching. The headlights themselves are actually positive switching headlights, so they weren't plug and play. I had to unpin the plugs to mess around a bit, just to get low beams and the halos. But yeah, the aim of today is to get the high beams working as well. And to do that, I got these things that change negative switching to positive switching. So I've just bolted them up there. I've got fucking tons of room between where the headlight mounts. Tons of room. So, I mean, it's going to be a bit messy back here with these things fucking plugged in. But once I plug these in, I should have high beam. And it should just work like a regular high beam. I've got to do the same over there. But I'll test here first. Parkers, low beam, high beam. You can see the other side's not wired up for high beam just yet, but this side's finished and works well. Now to do this side. I could have put these in the cab. These little inverter module thingos. But I figure there's so much space between the headlight and this section of the van that I can warrant having them there instead of right where your feet might potentially kick them, right here. So these kits are pretty good, but the only bad thing about them really is that I've had to repin the original plugs, like pull these out and swap them around to suit the diagram, if you can even call it that, right there. So you got your negative, negative, positive on this side. It doesn't tell you which way, which face though. So, you know, one would assume like that, because it's two negatives then the positive, so I thought negative, negative, and then the red one's the positive. But if you look on this side, two positives then a negative, so that has to be like this, the flat side up. The two positives and the negative, so the blues are positive. So if it's flat face up, this side means that the black is actually the positive. Which, you know, is a weird way to do things, and it threw me off a bit for a while, which is why I couldn't get it working, but I worked it out afterwards. I'm looking at it going, that's not fucking right. But yeah, so the black is actually the positive, and the red and the blue on this side are the negatives. So yeah, that's why I'm repinning this to suit now. Because that's your positive, the blue one. That's your low beam earth, and then this is your high beam earth. Yay for negative switching. Okay, so if I did everything correctly, we should have Parkers, low beams, high beams. It's all looking good. Alright, with the headlights working well, the other problem I want to fix today is this antenna. Now I don't have one to directly replace it. They normally have like a little metal antenna coming up like that. So instead I'm going to use this, which is a KE30 Corolla antenna that extends out manually. Has a little arm that'll connect there to there. That's the little arm that I'm going to use, and it will bolt straight onto there, which would be nice. I just got to trim this off, so I'll do that now. Alrighty, that's trimmed flat, and it's on there. There's some slight cracks in the plastic coat over the metal plate, but that's not a big deal. It is metal underneath that, so it's pretty sturdy either way. Couldn't find the original bolts either, so I just used a couple shiny cadmium plated ones, which will go in there as well. Now just got to mount the antenna and work out where to drill a hole down here. So the top bit is all screwed in, just got to work out where to do the bottom now. The cables run through that panel down to the driver's side kick panel, ready to chuck this on. Like so. Screw that in there, and the cable's hooked up. And this is mounted. Done. Done. I have an antenna on my van now. Does need some lube. I don't think I actually need to have it that extended ever. Awesome.
Next time on
NooB Auto Parts.
Of course, being a fucking van, I can't get to the aircon fan belt. Go for it. I found him. Leffel, you're gonna get hurt.